Okay, we're back with some more cars to show you. Right here we got a Hot Wheels Ultra Hot 56 Nomad. Up next we got a 67 442 O's, Johnny Lightning car. And now we got a 71 Pontiac GTO Judge. And up next we got another 71 Pontiac GTO Judge, just a different color. And up next is a 100% Hot Wheels L Woody. And we have a Johnny Lightning 62 Chevy Bel Air. Up next is a Hot Wheels, it is a 68 Nova. Here we have another Johnny Lightning 62 Chevy Bel Air. Here we have a Johnny Lightning 1970 Chevelle SS. And up next is a Johnny Lightning 1969 Chevy Camaro SS 396. And we have a Johnny Lightning 1967 Chevy Camaro SS. Have another 68 Chevy Camaro SS 396. And we have a Hot Wheels 67 Pontiac Firebird 400. Here's a Hot Wheels 55 Chevy Bel Air. Got a Johnny Lightning 67 Pontiac Firebird. Here's a Johnny Lightning 1969 Lincoln Continental. Johnny Lightning 1967 Plymouth Fury 2. And a Johnny Lightning 1970 Mustang Mach 1. Here's a 1965 Ford Mustang. It's called Project in Progress. As you can see, it has primer spots on it. Here's another Johnny Lightning 1969 Lincoln Continental. Here's a Johnny Lightning 1965 Chevy Impala SS. Here's a Johnny Lightning 1970 Buick GS Grand Sport. Here's a Johnny Lightning 1970 Chevy Monte Carlo SS. Here's a 68 Chevy Camaro. And we have a Johnny Lightning 1966 Dodge Charger. And last we have a 1950 Oldsmobile 88. All these cars are new ones. They just came in. We'll have more coming. We'll have some more probably sometime at the beginning of the week. Tune in. We'll keep them coming. Thank you and have a good weekend.